What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in the Chevy Silverado Smart Key. So this remote key fob is going to be for the Chevy Silverados that have a push button start ignition. If your Silverado does not have a push button start ignition, it'll take a different fob, and the battery change for that we've covered in another video. I'll put a link to that video in the description box of this video. But for this video, again, we are looking at the Silverados that do have a push button start ignition. This fob will take replacement battery CR2032. The first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this button here, and then you can pull the emergency key out like that. Now, if we hold our fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom, we see this little notch right here. What we're going to do is push our emergency key in the notch, and then we're going to push up on the back cover, and it's going to pry it up just a little bit. So push in that notch, and then push up on the back cover like that. Once that back cover's popped up, go ahead and pull it all the way off. And now we see our battery right here. Then grab a small flathead screwdriver, or even something with like a small point on it, just to get under the edge of this battery and get it up like that. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down, like that. Once the new battery's in, go ahead and snap the two halves back together. Put the emergency key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.